Hey, I'm Allison from Learning at the Primary Pond, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you what a Boom deck is like. So all Boom learning cards are different, and they're created by different educators, but my cards do have audio directions so that students always know what to do, and they're also learning even when you can't be right there with them.
Let's learn about the IGH spelling pattern. The IGH together make the long I sound, I.
So I'm going to pause that, but now I'm going to show you a couple of the different activities that are included in a deck. So again, there's always audio directions.
Which word has the long I sound, spelled IGH?
And the kids get automatic feedback so that they know if they were right or wrong. And it'll tell them if they got something wrong. And then there's so much more than just multiple choice. The pictures will have, in my decks, will have audio so that they know exactly what the picture is.
Light.
And then the options are really endless. So I have I Spy games, I have magnetic letters that the kids can manipulate. And again, this will be different depending on what Boom cards you're using. I have K2 phonics cards, but there are cards available for any number of topics for any grade level. Mine are primary, but there's also, Boom decks for high school, and they can all be set up differently. So I hope that this video was helpful in giving you a sense of what Boom cards are like.